Today I'm going to show you a simple way of making egusi soup. These are my ingredients. I have stockfish, pepper mix, goat meat, crayfish, palm oil, and the egusi. The egusi, I'm going to add a little warm water with crayfish. Mix it to have a thick paste. I'm putting my pot in the fire, add palm oil, then I add some onions. I add some pepper mix, blended pepper mix. Leave it to add some seasonings of your choice. Leave it to steam. Then I now added my egusi paste. Guys, if you have watched this video to this stage, please subscribe to the channel. You add the egusi paste. We cover it up, leave it to dry up a little. Stir it gently. This is very simple way of making a very delicious pot of egusi soup. You stir it gently, leave it to dry up a little. Then you now add your protein. That's my fish, cow head, goat meat, whatever protein you have, add it and stir it gently and cover it. Leave it to steam up properly. You have to stir gently, add a little water, cover it up, leave it to steam. Added some water. Stir gently. Added some crayfish. And stir gently. Added some more water and cover it up. Guys, this is very simple way of making a very delicious pot of egusi soup. You just cover it and leave it to cook properly. I had a little shrimps left at home. I added it up. This soup came out so good, and it tastes so good. I added more, just taste. I added a little more crayfish. Then I covered it up. I left it to dry up to cook properly. Guys, this is one of the simplest and delicious way of making egusi soup. It came out so good, so delicious, simple and delicious, and it was very delicious. Now you can now add vegetable. I had frozen spinach. You can add any vegetable of your choice. And the soup is ready. The soup is ready. It came out so good. Are you going to be trying this?